welcome to Easy Access Math. We're going to take a little break from our instructional videos, and I have John here, and we're going to play a little pattern recognition game that we call 100. Now I want you to see if you could spot the pattern that I'm going to establish during this game, and hey, you never know, John might win. Now John, I'm going to let you go first. Here's the rules of the game, and you could see me explain the game in another video, our 100 video, where I explain the rules of our pattern game 100. We're here to play it now so you can see the action. The idea is to be the player who ends up at exactly 100 by adding to a total any number between 1 and 10 each round. I'll let you go first. Pick a number.
Sure, 6.
6. Okay, and our total is 6. We'll put our total over here. Remember, the first person that gets to 100 will win.
Okay.
I'll add to your 6 another 6. And so I brought the total to 12. And now it's your turn. 3. And I will, that brings us to 15. And I'll play my number now. I'll add to your 3 an 8. And that takes us to 23.
I will add to 23 and 9.
A 9. All right, adding a 9 to the 23, which takes us to 32. And I'll add to your 9 a 2, which takes us to 34.
And add a 1.
You're going to add a 1, which takes us to 35. And to your 1, I'll add a 10, which takes us to 45. There we go. 35 plus 10 is 45.
I'll add a 2.
Adding a 2, which takes us now to 47. And to your 2, I will add a 9, which will take us to 56.
And to the 9 you added to my 2, I'll add a 3.
You're going to add a 3 to the 56, which takes us to 59. And I'll add to that 59 an 8, which will take us to 67. You're adding 7 to 67, takes us to 74. And to your 7, I'll add a 4. And that will take us to 78. And I'll bring that up here. We have a total of 78 so far that I brought. It's your turn.
I'll add a 6.
You're adding a 6 to that.
Yes.
I'll bring that up here. 6 plus 78 is 84. And to your 84, I will add a 5. And that brings us to 89.
You're 89, I'll add 10.
You're going to add 10.
But you can't add 11.
Too bad you can't add 11. That takes us to 99. We'll put that in blue for you. And then I will add 1. And, I'll do that in my color here, the 1.
I almost won.
You almost did. Takes us to 100. And let's just see if anyone notices the pattern over here. As I explained in the video where I explained the game, once I got to 12, all I did was with any number you pick, I added a number to it that gave me 11 to the round, for the round. So when you picked 3, I picked 8. Between the 2 was 11. You went 9, I went 2. My thing first was to get to 12 first. And if you got to 12 first, I would try for 23. I would try for a number where the second digit was 1 more than the first each time. So right here, I think I won the game already. The only way to keep control is to pick 1 on your first turn if you're going first. And after that, well, now you know it. So now you can win. And that's how you play 100.
You can't run.
Good game.